Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel here, and today we're going to talk about your Apple TV's background apps. Now, when we use application, let's say one to another, every application remains in the background. Therefore, our Apple TV can get sluggy, slow, or sometimes even get unresponsive. Therefore, cleaning up the background application will help you to make your Apple TV a little faster than usual. Well, now to close your background application, the first work you have to do, just grab your remote control and double tap on your home button, just like that, and then you'll be able to see all the application now will be stay in your background. Now, if you want to delete or remove or even close your background application, all you want to do is just go ahead and use your finger and swipe it up, just like that, and your application will be closed, and then you'll be able to make your Apple TV a little faster than before. Just keep doing it for every application, and then all applications will be closed once you're done closing all. Now once you're on the home screen, go ahead and press once on your menu button, then now you're on your Apple TV once again. So now if I double press it once, now there's no background application, only the home screen will be on your background. So this is how you can close all of your background application on your Apple TV, and this is how you can do it. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.